Hi friends, welcome back to Abhinav Arts and Craft channel. Today I am going to show you how to make an origami dolphin. Okay, let's start it. For doing this you need a square paper. Fold it into a triangle. See, just like this. Fold it properly. Now unfold it. See, like this. And now fold this side till the center. See, like this properly. And fold this side to the center. See, like this. And now unfold this both and turn it and do the same like this. Now unfold them and now fold this into half. The opposite we did is the first. Now unfold it. See, now you need to catch these both and catch like this. See, make them into a shape of this. Like this you need to make fold and push them inside. See, it should come like this, and fold it back side like this, and it's done. Now you need to fold this one upward like this and turn it. Now fold this edge till the center. See, like this. And now fold this side just like this. And this one also, and fold it like this. See, it should stick like this. And fold this like this. See, into half. See, now fold it, fold it, and this one you need to fold it upward, means like this, and turn it back side. And this one, see, you need to fold it like this. See, fold it here, right, like this. See, it should come like this. Now you need to unfold this like this, and you need to cut here till here. See, like this, a small bit. See, now cut this like this. I'm cutting small piece. See, like this, into two halves, and now fold it into like this, and fold it till how much you have cut it, you need to fold it like this, and on the other side also. Now push. Now fold this one downwards, this side downwards, and this turn above, turn to the other side, and fold this one above. See, like this. See, it should come like this. And now if you want, you can keep an eye here with a pencil. See, now I'm keeping an eye. See, like this, with a pencil or a sketch. See, and now our origami dolphin is ready.